Well, hi there, it's Lee here, and I think that spring may possibly have sprung. It's certainly a nice bright day today, albeit there looks like a big rain cloud over there. Anyway, I've got some bad news, but I've also got some brilliant news. So the bad news first, let's get it out of the way. Got some really bad news from Martin Skinner, who was our scheduled speaker for next Tuesday, the 17th of April. Unfortunately, Martin has had to go abroad, overseas, on really important business, and he's unable to make it. He does send his apologies. But the really good news is that we've got a fantastic, awesome, really incredible replacement for Martin in Ahmed Khan. Now, I met Ahmed at PPN Knightsbridge about 15 or 16 months ago, and he was doing incredibly well then. Since then, he's gone on to win the Progressive Property VIP Outstanding Achiever of the Year award, and for very good reason, because what Ahmed's done, he's literally just cracked on. He left the university as a graduate, and he had one thing in his mind, and that was that he did not want a job. It might sound like a lot of students, but it's not funny, because what he didn't want a job, and he didn't want to work for somebody else. He wanted to create his own lifestyle and his own business, and that's exactly what he's done. He has immersed himself in two strategies, really, combining them both. One being the rent to rent, in that very simply what he does, ultimately he gets a management contract and he rents a property, a multi-room property or apartments from other landlords and property investors. So he gives them a guaranteed rent, and then what he does, he goes on to sublet each of those rooms or those apartments or houses indeed to via another strategy, which is serviced accommodation. So he lets out by the night, and doing that he's creating really massive profits, really incredible stuff that he's achieving. He's done 40 of these, so he's, and this is just a really young guy, straight out of university. He's going to be sharing with you exactly how you can do it too, what's involved, where to find the deals, how to put them together, and all the information that you'll really need to make this work for you. Now, I know, and I'm sure if Ahmed can do it at such a young and tender age, and by his own admission, he's not the smartest guy on the planet, he just applied himself. If he can do it, then anybody can do it too. And what great area to be doing service accommodation as well, here down on the coast in Bournemouth and Poole. So if you want to learn how you could get a job replacing income in a very short space of time, just over a year that Ahmed's done this, then get yourself along next Tuesday, the 17th of April, to Progressive Property Network Bournemouth. There, I'll put a link on here where you can book your ticket. We have loads of bookings already, so get yourself along. It's an outstanding community of people that are really achieving great things. Ahmed's joining us, and we've all got a massive amount to learn from him. Really life-changing stuff, I'm sure, that he's going to be sharing with us. So book your ticket right now. Don't be disappointed. Make sure you're there. And I'll really look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, 17th of April at the Ocean Beach Spa and Hotel. Have a great day, enjoy the weather while it lasts, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.